Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SlayByCiara. So today I'm coming to you guys with this curly box braid bun that we have going on here. So if you want to see how I did achieve this look, then continue to watch this video. You guys, so this is as natural as it gets. Freshly blow dried hair, no makeup, no nothing. So I did go ahead and part the back already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how we go ahead and part the front. So I kind of doing like a big square, kind of like angled towards the arch of my eyebrow, as you can see. Then I go in with my good old Shine and Jam, and this is where we're gonna go ahead and clean up that part. So we just place the Shine and Jam over the part so we're able to get a cleaner line. And then we just go ahead and place it all over the flat part of the braid. So make sure it's nice and sleek or whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And then once we have it all done, then we go in with our good old edge brush and get that little swoop going and leave out any baby hairs if you want it or not. And then just go in with a rubber band and secure it. I find this method easier for people who don't do box braids like myself, the rubber band method, and I'll get into how I install the box braids thoroughly. So I'm just gonna finish up parting the front of my hair just like I did that last little section. Okay, so now I have all of my hair parted. As you can see, I'm not sure how many's in my head. It's not that many because my parts are super large, like extra large or whatnot. So now it's time to get into actually braiding the hair. So the hair that I will be using is from Outre hair, or Outre hair. I'm sorry, I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but that is the name of the hair. It's their Braid Babe braiding hair. And the color that I use is 3OM/pink, I believe. So basically we're going to take that crochet needle and we're going to stick it through the plait, and we're going to bring the braiding hair through, and we're just going to pull that one side out so we kind of have both sides hanging over my hair. And I'm just going to add a little bit more because not all of it's going to fit in the little clasp of the loop. And once I have it there, I'm just gonna start braiding like normal. So that's why I said I feel like this method is a lot easier for people who don't do box braids often, because you kind of don't have to grip all the hair at one time and make the plait. Like, you kind of have it set there for you, and then you can literally just do a regular braid down. So this method definitely helped me, and I feel like it can help a lot of other people who want to do box braids but just can't really do it, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna braid my hair all the way down. I'm gonna braid it a little past the length of my hair. I know it's kind of cut off right here, but I just braided it past a little bit of the length of my hair, and then I just go ahead and secure it with a rubber band because I'm gonna go ahead and curl the end, so I didn't need to braid all of the hair. So just braid a little past your own hair. So again, I stick that crochet needle through, and then I pull the braiding hair through it, and we only pull one side through, and we're just gonna lay it over my actual hair. And then once I have it laid over, I'm just gonna make my 3 sections and do a regular braid. And that's pretty much it for the box braids. Just remember to braid a little bit past your actual hair, because when you do your hot water set, you don't want to burn the ends of your actual hair. So that's why I'm reiterating to make sure you braid a little bit past your hair. So once I do braid that again, I'm just going in with a rubber band and I'm going to go ahead and secure it. So next, what I'm doing is I'm just splitting the ends of the hair into two sections, and then or two or three sections depending on how big I made the braid, and then I'm just wrapping it around the perm rods. So I'm kind of twisting it as I'm wrapping it just to make sure everything fits. And so yeah, just like that, and we're gonna do that to every single braid that is on my head, just twisting and wrapping around the perm rods. I didn't film this part, but once I have everything all done, I did go ahead and dip all of the ends of my hair into boiling water. So that's why I kept stating to make sure that you braided past your hair, so that if it does get in a little bit further, that you don't get it on your hair. So now I'm kind of just drying everything off, just kind of patting it to make sure everything is dry, but it might take a little bit. So once everything was all dried, I did go ahead and take out the perm rods, and then you're gonna see these lovely curls that I did end up with. And also another note, when you're dipping your hair into the water, try not to get it on the rubber band. I did it once and the rubber band definitely popped. But I mean, that's up to you. It's still gonna hold. But yeah, just a side note. Alright, so these are the lovely curls that I did end up with. They actually came out super pretty. I was so happy about that. So now the fun part when it comes to styling your hair. So I'm going to put all of mine up into a big bun. So I kind of did it in two sections to help me out. I did kind of like the crown area of my hair first. So I went ahead and put that into one ponytail, and I'm using the very stretchy ponytail holders. They're not the elastic ones, they're the ones that are like super stretchy and big. So I did the middle section first, and then once I had that all into a ponytail, I went ahead and put the other part into it. I guess this helped me to make sure it was tighter, especially in the front, and not super loose, because I wanted everything to look neat and whatnot. So next I'm just wrapping it around once, and then the second time I'm just kind of doing the bun. And then this part might take you a while, because this is when it comes to you just playing with it. You had to see a piece right there. I didn't get into the water, so we're just gonna wrap that around the ponytail holder to tuck that out the way. But yeah, now it just comes to playing with the hair to get the bun to lay how you want. It could take a few minutes. It definitely did take me a few minutes, so just continue to play with it and it'll eventually lay right. Alright, so after playing with it for like 10 minutes at least, we were able to get a finished look, and here we have it. I went and added the little jewels for the braids. I added it on the braids and also in the hair too, just to give it an extra little effect. And this is the finished look, you guys. I love the way it came out. It's everything that I wanted it to be, and I'm showing you guys the back as well. And now I'm just going to talk a little bit about the hair. Okay, so when the hair was ordered, this was supposed to be, like, when I thought about doing this hair, this was supposed to be for a summertime look. Things changed, so I ended up getting the hair in recently. So I mean, it is fall, but it's still a cute look, and you know, I'll rock anything whenever I feel like it. So when I got the hair, I was like, oh my gosh, this hair is so bright. It's super pretty, but it's just bright. Like, I don't know, for some reason I wasn't expecting it to be true to color. So just so you know, they have a whole bunch of different colors. The colors are true to colors. If it looks purple, it's purple. If it looks really pink, it's a very pink, as you guys can see. But I love how it looks all mixed together, because we got this purple, pink, violet-ishy color arrangement going on. So it's just super cute. Sitting on top of my head into this nice little big fluffy curled out bun. So what can I say about the hair? It sat perfectly. I dipped all of the perm rods that I had in my braids into boiling water. So like you saw, sat perfectly. Didn't have any issues with that. The hair is definitely lightweight. Like, it's super soft. It doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. And it was just easy to work with, because I know like braiding hair can be very difficult to work with. Like, it can be very messy and whatnot. But the fact that this hair is pre-layered and pre-stretched for you definitely helps a lot than the like regular Kanekalon hair or whatever that you'll get from a beauty supply store, because that stuff can be a pain to work with. So that definitely was helpful, because I don't do box braids. This is probably like the second time I've done box braids, I think. So yeah, it definitely made it very easy for me to work with. Overall, this just came out super cute. So this is the Braid Babe braiding hair from Outre. I'm gonna say it like that because I'm horrible with pronouncing names, so I think that's how you say it. I could be wrong. I'm sorry if I am saying it wrong, but you guys get the hint. The name is literally right here. But that's where this hair is from. This probably, like I said, was one of the easiest braiding hairs that I have worked with, because braiding hair, like I tell you, it can be difficult. It can be very difficult to work with. So it was definitely good for that. I love that it actually sat very well with the perm rods, and it's just very versatile. Like, with braiding hair, you can do so much. So this was the cute little style that I came up with. Just simple box braids, curl on the ends, stirring up into one big poofy curled out bun or whatever. They have so many different braiding hair colors and like ombre colors, so that's super cute and cool and whatnot. So that's pretty much all I can say. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, definitely give me a big thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Like I said, I have a lot coming, and I'm gonna keep it coming. Alright, thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.